learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是念習小 Joseph Lin, along with Alice with some very practical vocabulary to teach you in Hakka. 来，我们今天呢要来学的这个句子啊，问答啦哈。你是 A 还是我是 A？
你 A。
好，惨了，我忘记了。That means, oh no, I forgot something.
慘嘞，
慘嘞，
我唔記得。
我唔記得。Okay, that means again, oh no, I forgot something. And then your answer, 你的回答会是
什么事情？
什么事情？是马给事情吗？
Yeah.
I know how to say that. That means what's wrong, okay? What's up? All right, let's put you in a situation where you left the house and you forgot something. 常常出门，你会这样子吗？我大概3次门，会有一次到了车上我才忘记东西了，然后要再回去。A lot of times I forget things after I leave the house. For instance, let's say you're going on a trip, you forgot your passport. 这个最糟糕了，忘记护照，对不对？
那就不用出去了。
所以呢，我的护照忘了拿。
我嘅護照，
我嘅護照
唔記得拿。
唔記得拿。Okay, so 護照 that's 護照。Okay, that's a passport. My passport I forgot. Okay, 唔記得拿。That means 我忘记拿了啊。通常只是会忘记护照了，不会忘记到行李吧？
那就不用出门。
好了，那有的时候会忘什么东西？钥匙。对，然后到车上在那边发呆3秒钟。我的钥匙呢 ？I forgot my keys. 我忘了带钥匙。
我唔記得。
我唔記得。
带寿司。
带寿司要带寿司哦。
不是
wasabi 寿司
的那个
ketchup 寿司
寿司
sounds like sauce, but it's actually keys. 它是钥匙哦。
那海陆腔
OK
手机
OK 这样比较不像是要吃东西的寿司了。All right， 然后最后忘记带钱出门好了。I forgot to bring money.
唔記得帶錢出門。
帶錢出門 OK 帶錢 is bring 錢 is money 出門 that means going out okay these are some of the things you might forget let's review it again 護照 passport 護照 keys 鑰匙壽司 and finally money 錢 and it's all about oh no I forgot something and what's wrong 慘了我忘記了
慘嘞我唔記得嘞
慘嘞我唔記得 and what's wrong 什麼事情
馬嘅事情
There you go another edition of Practical Hakka
什麼太假
俺只識張來了
客家風情由客家委員會監製
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.